Our next lesson is about how to add effects on a photo using Photoscape. First, open the Photoscape application. Click Editor. Choose the photo you want to add effects. Then click Filter. You can see there's a lot of effects you can choose from, but I'm going to select the Antique Photo effect in order to make the photo look old. You can see Antique Photo have 7 levels. The higher the level, the older the photo looks like. After that, to make it more antique, we can use Frame by just clicking the Frame button. And then we can choose from a lot of choices of frame. But for this photo, we are going to choose the antique frame form. To enhance the color of the picture, we can use the bright color button. Also, there is a lot of choices to choose, but we will going to use the darken one and in a middle level. That's it. That's the easy steps how to add effects to a photo.